everyone! Today we will break down how to solve equations step by step. Instead of focusing multiple equations, we'll focus on just one equation all the way through. This will help you see how each step works. So let's get started. We'll work with this equation. 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. Our goal is to determine the value of x, the unknown variable. And let's go step by step. The first step is to understand the equation. Before solving, let's break down what this equation means. 3x means 3 times x. This tells us that the variable is multiplied by 3. Plus 5 is a constant added to 3x. And 14 is the result of the left side of the equation. What does this equation ask us to do? It says that if we multiply the number x by 3 and then add 5, we get 14. So to find x, we need to reverse these steps. Step 2, simplify the equation. Look at both sides of the equation. In this case, there are no parentheses or like terms to combine, so we can move to the next step. Step 3, isolating the variable. To solve for x, we need to eliminate everything around it so that x is alone on one side of the equation. Right now, the equation is 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. We need to undo the plus 5 first. Since 5 is added to 3x, we do the opposite operation, subtracting 5 from both sides. So we apply subtraction to both sides of the equation. 3x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 14 minus 5. This simplifies to 3x is equal to 9. Now we're one step closer. Step 4, solve for the variable. Now we have 3x is equal to 9, so x is multiplied by 3. And to undo multiplication, we use the inverse operation, which is division. So we divide both sides by 3. And this simplifies to x is equal to 3. Great! We found x. So we go to the last step. Check your solution. We always want to verify that our answer is correct. To do this, we substitute x is equal to 3 back to the original equation. So substituting x is equal to 3, we have 3 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and 14 is equal to 14. Since both sides are equal, our solution is correct. Now it's your turn. Try solving this equation step by step. 4x minus 7 is equal to 13. Remember, you have to understand the equation, simplify if needed, isolate the variable, solve for x, and check your answer. Keep working on problems like this, and soon, solving equations will feel easy. Remember, take it step by step. Algebra is like solving a puzzle. Once you understand the process, it all makes sense.